What's going on? So today we got a video from BLN Safety, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Causes Complete Chaos After Car Crash." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
Officers respond to reports of a car crash involving two cars on a highway in South Kingstown, Rhode Island.
Three car? Yeah, put it in park.
So the police are here with him. His phone is in his pocket.
Now try and turn it off.
But he's shaking like crazy, so he probably should not be driving. He can't even.
Yeah, the key's stuck.
Okay.
It's broken.
Are you gonna? Well, so do you think he's gonna be taken to the scene, or will he just?
Are you?
I'm not. No. I'm on the phone with his father.
Yeah, it's my dad. But
How many cars are involved right now?
Not mine. That's mine.
All right, we need to get that off the road. All right, can we get that into the parking lot?
Yeah.
We'll take care of him, man.
Paramedics coming 2 seconds.
I'm just trying to tell his father. So
Okay. Well, we're in the middle of the highway, right?
Okay.
So.
All right, can you move your car, please? Thank you. My man, is your car drivable?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna get it off to the side of the road. All right.
All I'm saying is I can leave. I just want to tell his father.
You don't have to leave. Just move your car.
I just want you to tell me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm
All right,
okay.
let's have a seat right over there, bro.
She is freaking annoying, bro. She's annoying. Simple instructions. There's a little, whatever that is, gas station right there to the right. Pull over and get into the parking lot. That's it. The only cars that need to be out there are the cars that were actually probably in the accident or whatever the case may be. Like, she's not listening. God damn it. Hard-headed, man.
His phone is in his pocket.
Now try and turn it off.
But he's shaking like crazy, so he probably should not be driving. He can't even.
Yeah, the key's stuck.
Okay.
It's broken.
Are you gonna? Well, so do you think he's gonna be taken to the scene, or will he just?
Are you?
I'm not. No. I'm on the phone with his father.
Yeah, it's my dad. But
How many cars are involved right now?
Not mine. That's mine.
All right, we need to get that off the road. All right, can we get that into the parking lot?
Yeah.
We'll take care of him, man.
Paramedics coming 2 seconds.
I'm just trying to tell his father. So
Okay. Well, we're in the middle of the highway, right?
Okay.
So.
All right, can you move your car, please? Thank you. My man, is your car
Simple
drivable?
instructions.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna get it off to the side of the road. All
All
right.
I'm saying is I can leave. I just want to tell his father.
You don't have to leave. Just move your car.
I just want you to tell me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm
All right,
okay.
let's have a seat right over there, bro. Is that your mom?
No.
No.
You want to talk to his father here? Why don't you talk to his father?
I'm working. Can you please go sit in your car? You have nothing to do with
His
this.
father,
I
he's
understand.
a minor. I'm an attorney because he's a minor. You need to tell me, is he going to be here?
I don't need to
or
tell
is-
you anything. I'm going to arrest you in a second if you don't get in your car. Do
Oh,
you
you're
understand me?
kidding me.
I'm not kidding you.
You are kidding
You are
me.
impeding an investigation right now, and you're really bothering me.
What should
Go
I tell
sit
his
in your
father?
car.
What
I will
should I
talk
tell
to him
his
in a minute.
father?
Get in your car now.
Tell, take it. No, you do not.
Get her
touch
right.
me.
Get her right.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Oh my God.
Get her right. Good job, boys. Get her together.
What are you doing?
Get her together.
Knock it off.
You will be.
Knock it off.
No, you get your hands off me
Knock
right
it
now.
You gonna learn
Get
today.
your hands off me.
Yes.
Tell him to get his hands
Yes,
off me.
I do.
Tell him to get his hands off me right now. Oh my God. Are you
Stop.
Get her together.
Stop.
No, I'm not stopping. Are you fucking kidding me, right?
Can't follow simple instructions.
Can you record this?
It's recording.
Record it.
I'm wearing a body cam.
Record it. I understand, but why am I under arrest?
Because you weren't listening to anything we were saying.
Oh my God. You're not listening to your father or something. Oh my God. Okay,
Get her together.
Can you please?
Good job, boys.
No, you don't take a breather. I'm fine. Like, I'm beating right now. Can you just let me
Not
move my
beating you
arms
at
up?
all.
I just moved my arm so it doesn't hurt. I am sorry.
She ain't nothing. She ain't the mom, nothing. Like, the boy ain't got a cell phone to make his own phone calls. Like, are you serious? Get her together. They ask simple instructions. Hey, man, you not involved in this? Can you move your vehicle off the highway? Just move it to the side. Well, is he staying here or is he going away? I can leave, but I don't. Ma'am, can you move your vehicle off of the highway? You are not involved in this right now. Well, his father, I'm trying to relate a message. You need to tell me right now. I'm going to get her together. She ain't acting right. Get her together. Get her together.
How about you stop resisting and you let us put you in handcuffs?
My shoulder is dislocated and you're making it worse.
Well, rescue
Can I
team will get
please
you.
just... Oh my God.
Sit up.
Can you please call Bob Barber?
Sit up.
Call Bob Barber right now.
Who's that?
He's in Narragansett, please. Please call him.
Well, we're not in there again.
I understand that. I cannot believe you. Take this fucking off me right
Okay,
now.
50. I have one in custody,
Oh my
disorderly
God.
and resisting.
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
Stop.
No!
Stop talking.
No! No! This is so ridiculous. I cannot even believe this.
And
Oh my
let's go
God.
put her in my car.
I just wanted to know. I could tell his father if he's going to the hospital. I'm not even involved in this. I can't believe this.
That was our point the whole time.
I cannot believe this.
That was our point the
You
whole
were
time. You are
That's the whole point. You not involved. Get her together.
not involved.
Oh
You
my
are not
God.
involved.
I'm a good
We
Samaritan.
instructed you to do something,
I'm a good
and you
Samaritan
refused
who-
to do it.
I'm a good Samaritan who stopped to help a kid, and this
Let's
is
go.
what happened. Okay, stop grabbing me. I'll get up on my own. You're hurting me.
Now.
Oh my God, stop it. Ow! Ow! I want my phone. It's over there. What am I doing? He's pulling my... Hey, stop. Get my shoe. Please get my shoe.
Okay.
Get my... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot even believe this. No. This man is beating the shit out of me. Holy shit. Yes, he is. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the crazy. I've never... Stop pushing me, please. I will walk. Are you kidding me? You guys don't know how much trouble you are. I'm gonna see you both for salt. I know.
What's that?
You're in so much trouble. I can't even tell you. Oh my God, this is the craziest thing I've ever in my entire. I'm not gonna relax. I can't. I don't have to. You guys, where do you get this machismo shit? This is bullshit. I need my phone. It's on the ground over there.
I will grab it.
Call my husband. He's also an attorney.
Go ahead, get it.
This is so bad. Yeah. I
Grab your
can't
shirt.
even.
The phone's right here.
Oh, surprise.
All right. We're sorry about that. She was out of control, guys. She wouldn't stop. I know she's on the phone with your dad, but we're trying to do an investigation, trying to clear the roadway, we're trying to keep people safe, and she was just getting in the way, okay? Is your car drivable, my man?
My car's driving.
Your car's drivable, so we're not going to tow it, okay?
That's fine.
Your car's not drivable, so we're going to tow the car, okay? How are you feeling? Are you okay?
I don't
What
really feel
happened, guys? Can you tell me what happened?
I was wasn't really paying attention, and I was on the road, but I think I was looking at my phone, and I look up, next thing I know, I'm right there, and I hit the brakes as hard as I could, and I hit his car. I launched forward a little bit. It was a complete break, and that's really it. I just hit the back of his car really hard.
So it's just a rear end collision. That's what we're talking about.
Yeah, to be honest with you,
Were
brother,
you rolling or were you stopped?
I was like I'm kind of trying to recollect it, but I was like I feel like I was just starting to move forward.
Good.
And then out of
From
like
you were stopped at a red light,
yeah,
basically.
but it happened like so fast. Are you wearing a seatbelt? Are you wearing a seatbelt?
I don't think I was, officer, but I don't think I was.
The starred windshield, no seatbelt. On this one?
All right. We have a female in custody. She had nothing to do with the accident and decided to just be crazy reckless. So we just got into a wrestling match with a female driving this car. She's not involved. We asked her to move her car over here. She's shoving the phone in my face, telling me to talk to the kid who's injured's dad. I'm like, listen, we need to clear the road. You need to go sit in your car. She refused to go sit in her car. After being instructed probably 3 or 4 times, she refused to get out of my face, shoving a phone in my face. So I informed her I was going to arrest her. She resisted. We had to take her to the ground and put her in handcuffs.
That's fine.
That's where we're at.
She got a suicide.
Yeah. She's a lawyer.
Officer.
Body camera's on. She was like, it was almost like she was like intoxicated. I don't think she is, but like she was behaving that way. weird.
Was she at 32?
I'm just like, listen,
I
if
agree.
you're not going to
You're in the
listen to
middle
what
of
I'm
the
saying. We're in the middle of the highway. Get in your car and get off the highway.
I
fucking stood her up too. She started screaming like belligerently. The kid was even more freaked out than anything.
How old's the kid that was?
I don't know. 05 is his birthday. 17.
Yeah, damn, that's crazy. That was a short one. Let me see here. Yo, that's crazy. That lady deserves to get locked up. I ain't gonna lie. You not even involved, okay? You not even involved. Like, what are you doing? Can't follow simple get her together. Act right. Simple instruction. Hey, ma'am, can you move your car off of the highway? You talk too much. You yip-yapping too much. Too much. We not putting up with it. Good job, boys, man. I give them, man, them boys, I give them 4 out of 5, man. Good job. Good job. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section. Please let me know, because I want to hear about this one. She was doing too much yip-yapping. Sometimes you just got to zip it. Just, peace and quiet. That's it. Quiet. How hard is that? You know what I'm saying? I'm going to catch you in the next video, though.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.